How to fix Facebook video reels problem on your device. To fix this issue, first of all, open your App Store on your device. Once you are on your App Store, on the searching bar, search for Facebook and make sure that no update is available. If you see update now button over there instead of open, then simply hit on that and update your application. Once you do that, check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still there, then go to the settings on your device. From there, scroll down. There you will see general options. Simply tap on it. Now again, scroll down at last. You will see iPhone storage. Tap on it. From here, search for Facebook application. Once you found it, if you go through it, there you will see two options, that is offload app and delete app. From here, choose offload app and do offload app. Then again reinstall your application and log into your Facebook. Your video reels problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.